Hello, Glenn here from Fairway Financial Advice. This month, Fairway, here at the office, we're talking about the month of money mindset. And so whilst you may think financial planners, we're just talking about money all the time, we talk about money quite a bit. There's a foundation that needs to be laid first, and that's your mindset around money. So important to have that. And so what I do is that I put together a conversation with a client around words and pictures here, and what we're trying to do there is just sort of tap into the individual or the couple's mindset around money and where they may have some itches or where they need to have some improvements. So we've got some cards here like having purpose with your money, security, is that important around your money, freedom, choices, fulfillment. These are all common questions that people have that they're trying to find out, how do I get my money in line with my values and where I'm headed? Because it was just only last year I went through this process with a client, and it was just amazing just seeing the assets that they had all in place wasn't giving them those fulfillments that they wanted, as what I was just reading off there before about the freedom and the choices to do things. And so with actually going through this process, not technically talking about money, so to speak, but more about mindset, we're able to actually get clarity, which is so important when it comes to finances in that regard. So if you need to get some clarity, or if you've got some itches there with your finance, or you just got some good stuff going on and you just want to improve, yeah, absolutely, come out and reach out to us here at Albany Creek and have a conversation with us. Happy to have a cup of tea, catch up. Thank you.